welcome to my channel. Woohoo! We are here today to disassemble a Lenovo Chromebook for a lovely customer that bought. They brought the screen cracked, so we'll show you that. I'm using my two hands, and I'm using a, what is this called? Huh? DJ Osmo 4 from a friend. I'm borrowing his tools. All right. Now we have a screen already. Huh? Oh no, I will take the battery out. That is a must. Yep. We have to remember to take the batteries out, guys. Because this is my other screen. I don't want to slide it. Which is a tricky. Oh, screws. Take out. Now, I don't have my best tools with me today. This is just a screwdriver I'm using. But basically I'm showing you nothing is impossible. And see, I got a good one now. There you go. I like to hold my screws when I open them. This way you know we're gonna sink in those cables back in where they belong. Almost done, yep. Almost done. There you go. There you go. Black goes to the black, white goes to the white. Alright. Let's secure the hinges first, and then we can connect the cables. Coded on some platform, kind of plan it, or you opened it, maybe take a picture to it sometimes. This way you will know where things go. Now I have opened this 100 times, and I know where the screws go. We are trying to put back our cables, and be careful with those cables because they are tricky, and maybe just use your fingernails, kind of push them over here. There you go. You can hear the snap. Now you push back in the battery, and then you turn it on and test it. Okay. lost his torque. There you go. How about that? It's all set. Now, while it's doing that, we're gonna secure the clips back. Alright. Now, we're gonna turn it off, shut it down securely. We're gonna... No, hold on. Wait. I have more screws to put back. Yeah.
That's it.
And that's it. So, we're gonna put the screws back. Oh, this is a magnet. And this is a Lenovo Chromebook Type 300e. Alright. Now, we only have the screws for the screen on the side. Actually, this comes with it because we replaced the whole hinges and the screen. So we do not need anything. We're all set. Good to go. These are our tools. This is what we used. Thank you for coming to my channel.